Hello, welcome back dear students to this second video lesson. First of all, I hope that it's everything fine in your home, okay? This second video lesson will be about the scale and proportion. So here I have a paper, white paper, and it's a DIN A4 size, DIN A4, okay? It measures 21 and 29.7. So if I fold it by the middle, I can get two different white papers that are the half size of a DIN A4. Okay, both are the same size now. This size is a DIN A5, is the half size of a DIN A4. So if I take one A5 and I fold it by the middle too, I can divide it in two parts. This is the half size of a DIN A5, so it's called DIN A. Can you guess? Yes, of course, it's DIN A6. Well done. Now, I'm going to split this again into different parts. But keeping the same size, so I fold it by the middle, like I have done before. Now, realize that this is 4 times smaller than a DIN A5. This is an A7, DIN A7, yes. Okay, so realize that if I take the DIN A5 and the DIN A6, and the DIN A7, if I take the ruler and I trace a line from one corner to the opposite corner, look, as you can see, all these corners are aligned. Okay, so if I take these two papers out, I can redraw this line and mark the DIN A7 size. And as you can see, this is a DIN A5, this is a DIN A6, and this is a DIN A7. So this is a DIN A7. Let me take another marker because this is too strong. DIN A6, and this will be a DIN, yes, of course, A5. That's good. Okay, to go on now, can you see I have taken a DIN A4, a DIN A6, and a DIN A7, but I'm going to fold the DIN A7 by the middle to get a, yes, of course, DIN A8, okay? And I'm going to stick them not far one from another, okay, but near the top of the DNA4, okay, more or less like this, okay. I'm going to take the glue and I stick the DNA6 and the DNA8. Like this. I'm going to mark them now to watch them properly. Please, in this exercise is very useful to use a ruler, so please use it. That's right. So, why I have done this? Because I want you to realize that if you join these two corners, you can trace a line, and when you join these other corners, you can trace another line that they will meet in a point. Okay, do you see this point? Do you see it? This point? This one, not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. Okay? Nice. So, what does it mean? That if I join this point with this other one, look, it's magic. Okay? They are aligned with this other point. Yep. Can you see? Okay? It means that you can draw whatever you want in this frame and draw it here bigger, keeping the same proportions. Okay, and now pay attention. I have done another one, you see, because it's cleaner than this one. Okay, and here you can draw something here, whatever you want. You can draw a spooky dragon, maybe, if you want. You can look in internet for a silhouette that you can draw easily. Okay, it can be the silhouette of an animal or a person. It's up to you, but please try to do your best. Yes, this is simple, but it's enough, okay, to do this exercise, because now if you have to increase the size of this silhouette here, you can trace different lines. For example, the nose, the end of the nose, the end of the nose. You can trace this line, and you know that this point will be here. Easy. And this point, you can join it with this other point, and you know that this point, it has to be here. Now you can try to trace this line, doing your best. Have you seen? This, look, I'm a lucky guy, okay? Here. The only problem maybe are these points, okay? But you can, if you use more or less the half of this paper, you can do the same here. Try to draw this line here, and so now you know that this line goes more or less here. And here. Look, this point will be this, so you can use it to draw this other line. Let's see if I have done it right. A little bit lower, okay? But then I can check this point. This point will be here. Can you see? More or less. It's a good practice for you. I think so. Let me check the position of the hand. Yep. Yep, pretty good. Can you see? More or less. And that's right. Have you seen? Of course, as you can see, it's not necessary to find all the points. Yes? And maybe you can make some mistakes. Like here, maybe this proportion is not exactly the same because I have drawn this middle line more or less, okay? And then, to end up, you only have to paint. To paint that, I'm going to use only two colors, blue and orange. Blue and orange. I'm going to mark this. This I'm going to mark it orange. Now, of course, I'm going to paint this blue and this orange, so the other color will be the background. So, I will paint this background orange. And I'm going to paint this background blue. I'm afraid I have to sharpen my pencil. Okay? What do you think? Beautiful. Now I'm going to paint the spooky dragon. Here blue. But I'm not going to paint it very hard. Okay? Because then I'm going to mix the orange color too. this could be the result. Okay? So please use these two colors to make your exercise. I want you to use orange and blue. Yes? Do your best. Bye bye. See you later.